The Chaos by Gerard Nolst Trenité. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse. Sounds like corpse, horse, and verse. I will keep you, Suzy, busy. Make your head with heat, grow dizzy. Tear and I, your dress will tear. So shall I, oh, hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard, and herd, dies and diet, lord and verd, sword and sward, retain and written. Mind the latter, how it's written. Now I surely will not plague you with such words as plaque and ague, but be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but bleak and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low. Script, receipt, show, poem, and toe. Hear me say, devoid of trickery, daughter, laughter, and terpsichore, typhoid, measles, topsails, isles, exiles, similes, and reviles, scholar, vicar, and cigar, solar, mica, vor and far, one anemone, balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel, Gertrude, German, win, and mine, scene, melpomene, mankind. Billet does not rhyme with ballet. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is mold like should and would. Whiskus, viscount, load, and broad. Toward, to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation's okay when you correctly say croquet. Rounded, wounded, grieve, and sieve. Friend and fiend, alive and live. Ivy, privy, famous, clamor, and enamor, rhyme with hammer. River, rival, tomb, bomb, comb. Doll and roll, and some and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangor. Souls but foul, haunt but ant. Font, front, wont, want, grand, and grant. Shoes, goes, does. Now first say finger, and then singer, ginger, linger. Real, zeal, mauve, gauze, gouge, engage. Marriage, foliage, mirage, and age. Query does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sound like berry. Dust, lost, post, and doth, cloth, loath. Job, knob, bosom, transom, oath. Though the differences seem little, we say actual but little. Refer does not rhyme with defer. Pfeffer does, and zephyr, heifer. Mint, pint, senate, and sedate. Dull, bull, and George, at late. Scenic, Arabic, Pacific. Science, conscience, scientific. Liberty, library, heave in heaven. Rachel, ache, mustache, 11. We say hallowed, but aloud. People leopard, toad, but wowed. Mark the differences moreover between mover, cover, clover. Leeches, breeches, rise, precise, chalice, but police and lies. Camel, constable, unstable, principal, disciple, label. Pedal, panel, and canal. Wait, surprise, plat, promise, pal. Vermin, storm, chaise, chaos, chair. Senator, spectator, mayor. Tour, but hour and succor, for. Guess, alas, and Arkansas. Sea, idea, Korea, area. Psalm, Maria, but malaria. Youth, south, southern, cleanse, and clean. Doctrine, turpentine, marine. Compare alien with Italian, dandelion with battalion, Sally with ally, yea, ye, I, way, and key. Say ever, but ever fever, neither, leisure, skein, deceiver. Heron, granary, canary, crevice, and device, and airy. Face, but preface, not efface. Phlegm, phlegmatic, ass, glass, base. Large, but target, gin, give, verging. Odd, out, joust, and scour, scourging. Ear, but earn, and wear and tear. Do not rhyme with here, but air. 7 is right, but so is even, hyphen, roughen, nephew, Stephen. Monkey, donkey, Turk, and jerk. Ask, grasp, wasp, and cork, and verk. Pronunciation. Think of psyche. Is a paling stout and spiky? Won't it make you lose your wits, writing groats and saying grits? It's a dark abyss or tunnel, strewn with stones, stout, solace, gunnel. Islington and Isle of Wight. Housewife, verdict, and indict. Finally, which rhymes with enough. Though, through, plow, or dough, or cough. Hiccup has the sound of cup. My advice is to give up.